Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Squarespace website. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Now click on these three dots next to the website you want to delete and select delete. Confirm your selection. And just like that, your website is deleted in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial.